What's good, guys? I'm back with another video, and in today's video I have another unique way for you to make money online. This involves helping AI recognize what it sees on the computer screen. Okay, this isn't hard for you. This is pretty easy. It's pretty simple. It's not going to take any technical know-how. And again, you're helping artificial intelligence get smarter. So with that being said, let's jump on my computer so I can show you how you can get paid online with this method. But before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. Alright, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it. Alright guys, so this one is going to be quick. I'm only doing one website today, but this website gives you a lot of opportunities to make money online. This website is called Remotask, and what you'll be doing is helping AI get smarter. Okay, so the way it works is that you'll be doing little tasks, okay, that'll help the artificial intelligence recognize things within images. Okay, so like it may tell you to put a box around a car, or find the toys, or find certain things in menus, things that'll help artificial intelligence get smarter. And these are for companies, like self-driving and things like that. All these little companies or apps or programs that use artificial intelligence to uh, provide information. Okay, you'll be helping these companies uh, make their AI a lot smarter. Okay, so like I said, these are some of the things that you can look forward to when using this site, like image annotation. Like they'll tell you to draw borders around certain images, like cars or toys or things like that. They'll tell you to distinguish colors so that artificial intelligence can distinguish between colors or fabrics or things like that. You've got things like finding certain things on a menu that you can pull out. Okay. Um, Things like comparisons and things like that. Different things that'll help AI become a lot smarter. Okay, you also have other things like audio transcription and data collection. Okay, so there's plenty of things that you can do on this site that you can make money with. All right, now some of the things on this site will pay you a couple cents per completion, and some of the things will pay you a couple dollars. It just depends on whether, just the type of task that you're completing. Okay, the company pays in PayPal Cash, so you can uh, cash out that way. Okay, the site shows you a couple of people who do it and how successful they are with it. Okay, so you can check that out. All right. Okay, you can go through the site and you can see that you can, for certain tasks, you can use a phone, but primarily they would like you to be on your computer. Okay, again, it says right here they pay in PayPal, but there is a small transaction fee. Okay, now when you go to start, they will give you an exam. Now it's not nothing hard or extreme. Um, just something to make sure that you can do that task or whatever, and then like once you complete that exam, you'll get a whole list of opportunities that you can get paid for. Okay, they just want to make sure that you're human and not a bot on the site trying to tear up the site, and that you can do some certain basic skills or whatever. It's nothing hard. It's pretty simple. Okay, and you can see that they go over little things like getting paid, and like you can see there's no minimum payment each week. So once you make the cash, you can instantly cash out with PayPal. Just remember that there is a small PayPal fee. Okay, so you want to make sure that you build up something decent before you cash out, because there is going to be a fee. 2% isn't a lot. Probably be a couple cents, um, a dollar at most, but it won't be anything extreme. Okay, so like I said, there's plenty of things in the FAQ. You know, let you know that you will get paid for doing the tasks on this site. Okay. Again, like I said, you do have to take the exams. So once you pass exams, they will open up a whole chain of things that you can do. Okay, and again, you've got plenty of things that you can choose, so you're not stuck in between. You're not stuck doing one thing. Okay, so I would, if I were you, I would check out the different tasks. Okay, if you're good at transcribing, go ahead and do that. If you're good at typing, okay, data collection again, but start out with the image annotation, okay, because this is the simplest thing that you can do. You can put boxes around cars and stuff like that instantly, quickly, okay, you know, categorization. These are the easiest things to do that you can start quickly, okay. So again, this is what I have for you today. Just a quick little way for you to make money online. Now, this isn't going to make you rich, okay? This isn't going to put infinite amounts of cash in your pocket, but it is a pretty convenient way to make money online, all right? Maybe you need some cash for gas or some snacks, or if you're being resourceful, you can make the little bit of cash that you make on this site to invest in something to go towards an actual business that you can actually make some good money with. Choice is up to you, all right? So before I go, I would like to bring your attention to this right here. This is John Castani's new product, okay? Work at Home Secrets and Scams, okay? This is a simple little ebook, and he goes through the different scams and things like that that take people's money online, and he shows you the proper way to make money online. It's only $1, all right? But aside from this ebook, you actually get this website right here, and it is what I'll call a business hub, okay? And with this, for your first month free, he gives you about 10 to 12 hours or so of content that teaches you how to properly make money online. All right, this is a proper education. This isn't no quick one-click done-for-you system that bunches of people are using that just dies out after a certain amount of time. This is a proper education to teach you how to make money online, okay? You've got 6 videos right now, but each week he's going to add new ones with different people teaching what they do to make money online. These are hours and hours of content. This isn't something that you'll find on YouTube that's like 10 to 20 minutes long. These are really long, in-depth videos that teach you how to properly make money online. And it gives you plenty of options just in case there's one thing that they're teaching that you don't like. And I highly suggest that you check this out for yourself if you are serious about making money online or building your own online business. All right. Again, it's only $1 to get access. And if you want to keep up with the subscription and get courses throughout the year, then it's going to be about $40 a month. But for that $1, you've got 6 different courses that you can take. And if you don't like it, you can go ahead and cancel at any time. So I just wanted to bring this to your attention because I think this is a really slick deal right now. And I would take advantage of it before this actually goes up in price. Alright guys, so that's all I got for today's video. If you found this video useful, hit that like button and share this out with anybody who you think might find it useful, and subscribe for more content. Also, I'll leave a link down below for Remotask, and I'll leave a link below for the John Crestani Internet Jet Set training series. That'll actually be the first link in the description, so you can go ahead and you can check that out if you're interested in seriously making money online or building an online business. Alright guys, that's all I got. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.